everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to share your KuCoin referral code. KuCoin allows you to invite friends using a referral code or referral link. When they sign up and trade, you can earn rewards. First of all, launch open the KuCoin app on your mobile device, tablets or desktop app and log into your account. From the home page of KuCoin, go to the top left corner and tap on your profile icon. Now from your profile page, go ahead and click on Referral Program. On the next page, you will be able to see your referral code and referral link displayed at the bottom of the screen. Your referral code will be mixed with alphabets and numbers, whereas your referral link will be displayed right underneath it. To share the code or link, tap on the copy button right next to referral code or referral link, and then you can share it with your friends via social messaging application, via social media posts, emails, or directly pasting the link. Using your referral link usually works better because it automatically applies your code during registration. Ask your friends to enter the referral code that you provided while signing up or registering for KuCoin. Make sure that your friends complete KYC if required to qualify for rewards, and rewards vary depending on the KuCoin promotion. Once your friend uses your referral code or your link, you'll be able to receive rewards. So that is how you can easily share your KuCoin referral code. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.